Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Veronica and in today's video we are going to TK Maxx. I'm so excited to see what Christmas bits they've got in this year. You know, TK Maxx always has the best random finds, so we're gonna have a little browse, check out the decorations, also what items they have in the kitchen, because I don't know about you, but I love to have seasonal kitchen items as well. Plus they also have beautiful candles and they smell so divine. Also, I'll show you some of their packing items like the gift bags, and you'll also see the crackers. So let's get comfortable and let's go straight into the video. I just think the snow globes are absolutely magical and they're part of Christmas. Also, how fun is this not little but quite big espresso martini drink dispenser, and it comes with the spices as well and the recipe. I didn't find the price tag, and because it was on the edge of the shelf I was scared to move it, so apologies for not showing you the price. Also, they had this beautiful candle holder for only $9.99, and what I like about these that they are quite heavy, so you know what you're paying for. You're paying for quality, and they're from Martha Stewart as well, which I'm super happy to say that they're bringing more Martha Stewart items to the UK, because I just think that she's got amazing home decor items. This one was $14.99. And I also like this little rubbing candle holder, which was £3.99. I also saw them in the kitchen. Also, I think that you can use them as a tea light holder or as a glass to drink from. And I just think that even the cracked glass, which imitates snow on the window or frost, is just a little touch that someone thought of when they were designing these. As again, snow globe, I'm taken. I just love them so much. Let me know, when will you start decorating? I'm thinking about the 1st of November. I know, it's coming so quickly and I'm just so very excited. Also, fun fact, we don't have these crackers. Is it crackers? I think it's crackers. We don't have them in Czech, so when I first saw them here, I was like, oh my goodness, what are these for? And then the sound of the fireworks, like the firecracker, just scared me. So because I'm going home for the week before Christmas, I will be sending a parcel as well, and I'll definitely buy one of those, because my niece and nephew, they just like the little trinkets that you get inside those. So let me know down in the comments below, do you buy these or are you scared like I am?
Together, learning about a history. Love and kindness, we all need a family.
the candle aisle. I spent so much time here sniffing almost every candle. This one was $12.99, and I absolutely love that they're adding the little touches on the lid of the candle. Also, this spiced eggnog smelled amazing. It's just, it wouldn't go with my home decor. Anyone else is like this, that you actually like the scent of the candle, but because it wouldn't go with your home decor, you don't buy it? Or am I just being a little weird? Which is also okay. I like this little pink one with the little trees on the lid for $12.99. I mean, you can totally reuse it. And maybe put it in your Christmas village as well if you're doing one of those. There's another candle with another beautiful lid. This one was holiday spice. And if you are having trouble with your candles, just remember to trim the wick, because it's like hair. I like to think about it. You need to take care of your candle so the candle burns down properly. And if it's tunneling, that is, if the wax is not going down on the side, you can put aluminium foil on the top with little hole at the top, and they'll make like a roof, and the heat from the candle will go down, which will melt the wax. I know, mind-blowing. I saved so many candles by doing this, but be careful because the aluminium foil can get hot, so I wouldn't do it near children. And if you are under 18, just ask adult to do that for you. Also, how beautiful are these Christmas stoneware trees with the little potpourri inside? And this candle was massive, and it was in the shape of a television, which was like slightly retro, and I absolutely loved it. And it was $24.99, which, I mean, for the size of the candle, is not bad price at all. Also, they had these beautiful candles which had little trees on top, and I think that this one was my favorite. It's just a little pink house, and I think it was $14.99. Yes, it was $14.99. And as you can see, this still has some leftover autumn decoration as well.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Room at the table for big and for small. All the
And that's it for today's little TK Maxx Christmas shop with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed it coming along. There are so many cute kitchen bits. I just love decorating the kitchen and just have the baking dish or the spatula with a little snowman or something. It just makes me so happy. And also I can't forget about the candles, because candles just make the cozy season even more cozy and romantic. And they make your home smell so beautiful as well. Let me know down in the comments below, what was your favorite find? Or what are you looking for? What's on your list? What would you like from TK Maxx or HomeSense? Please don't forget to get this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't already, because there's lots of more Christmas shopping me videos and also maybe some other videos coming your way. I'm just feeling so festive. I can't wait to put my Christmas decorations out, even though that it means taking autumn down, which makes me a little bit sad, but I'm looking forward to seeing the green and the red of Christmas. I'll see you next time. Bye friends.